Yeah, first one. Margarine.
Wait. This is margarine. This is from Clean Barreto. Margarine. Not only did you write very well, you're also very good at your oral speaking. Please do develop your communication skills. I know you will go far in your future endeavors, okay? Okay, so one of the core skills in open communication is actually communication skills. So as you all know, communication skills does not only mean for oral skills, you also need to learn how to write. Now, writing is fundamentally PR because basically whenever you go, even though you blog, you send emails, you chat in Facebook, you write. Definitely in PR you need to be grammatically correct, excellent, and same time persuasive in giving information to the audience. Because you want to change their thoughts, like you want to initiate action. You convey information to the audience. So that's basically the first skill. Okay, good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, Ian. This afternoon, in our arts class, I want you to express and interpret creativity, or what creativity is to you. Everything and anything is possible. So please, be as creative as possible. Okay, so we will start with Sophie. Sophie, the stage is yours. That's all mine. Don't stop, keep it moving, push it Thank you, Sophie. I have to ask. No, thank you. Sit down.
Bye.
Ian.
No.
The stage is all yours. Go, bro. Go, Ian. Kailangan makagawa sa kapatid at take note. Soldier ka, mabayo.
Bago yung talent.
Lang, dito lang mo.
Ay, karo na ka dyan.
Read the button.
Alin dito may gawin na.
She's girl ka. Girl, bakit eh? Pero, asing ka naman, girl. Like, nakikipanguyapan, bungol, bungamang. Kailan ka?
No, lonely.
At pindi, kuya ba na dito, no?
Ako, bumul. Bumul. Bumul, Kasi yung result eh.
Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin, wag nang silay-silay. Creativity is one gift that ought to be shared.
Kasi nagtulog na ng art.
So what's on?
Ako, iba mo ka siya ang art.
Creativity will be a very important aspect in your success later on in life. Okay, so the second core skill of VR is actually creativity. So as a public relations officer, it is actually you know that our job is to maintain the good image of the company now. If you're creative, you need to package the whole company as a very good one so that people will stick to you. So you have to be creative, you need to be innovative. This would actually include as well your analysis or research ability at the same time, your analysis on the facts that were given to you and how you project it on people.
Nahulog sa bangka sa barangay Tamugan, Davao City, ang alaw na kahapon sa hapon. Wala sa drama sa reso.
Makakapay ka mga likod kanina. Oo. Katulad kayo tayo timing ka ayaw kay Carol Friday. Timing sa SM. Ako na lang kayo nga sa itong pag-research sa SM. Alaman lang, sige.
Sila mo pa siya, bro. Christine.
Pagkain lang yan.
Ano naman in relationship yung status na?
It's complicated. Maging mong mama. Ate. Ito ba ako na trending? Sa mga theater people. So SPR needs to be familiar with those because actually you'll be working with those stuff. With your PR, you have to deal with the journalists, you have to learn to deal with the editors, with the broadcasters and all.
Kasi ka sa camera mula.
Wala!
Sige, doon na lang kasi nila. Ate, sige na buhat na nila. Sige, kung yun na sige. Hindi, kailangan nila ito. Umanong karoon. So, kung yun na sige.
Baka mapilog ni
Sige, na lang sila ito. Buhat na ito.
Ano ko kaya sa ako?
Abot siya kami ko.
Okay ko. O man naman di ay.
Hindi wala pa na siya kung buhat na lang siya. Diba mo guys, yung effort mo siya.
Last one?
Okay, the fourth PR skill is people skills. Naturally, you have to deal with different kinds of people. No matter how good you are as a public relations officer, the people you're working with, if you do not know how to deal with them, like they have different attitudes. So if you don't know how to deal with them, definitely it wouldn't work. The project would fail. Definitely you need to interact and learn to have a thorough grasp on the sentiments of people around you. That's it. I hope you're listening. Yes!
So much good.
Tomorrow, and I want it to meet and on my desk tomorrow.